Hey babes, it's your girl Vicky V, and you know what time it is. BoxyCharm time. I feel like my entire channel is literally just for BoxyCharm. Yeah, I need to switch that up, girl, because aren't you all getting bored of BoxyCharm? Actually, I'm not, so too bad, too bad. Okay, so I got my BoxyCharm package in today. If you want to see what's inside, stay tuned, girl. So let's get started. That's a pretty postcard. Ooh la la. The first product in the box is heat protecting mist. It's definitely going to be handy for me because I have been styling my hair a lot more these days. Obviously not today. I'm trying to give my hair a break. This guy is retailed for $27. It's supposed to be a very lightweight hair mist that protects your hair from heat up to 450 Fahrenheit or 223 degrees Celsius. Let's actually smell it because I'm curious as to how it smells. Ooh, it smells like really sweet, kind of like cotton candy, and I don't think I'm not really a big fan of like the really sweet cotton candy smell. It kind of smells like those $15 like those $15 fragrances at Shoppers Drug Mart, you know? Yeah, but if you are a fan of like cotton candy and like really sweet fragrances, maybe you'll like this. I'm more of a girl that likes like fresh scents, you know what I mean? Like the Dolce & Gabbana light blue. That's like my vibe. Lighter, more citrus scents is what I'm more into, and that's a little bit sweet for me. So if you guys like super sweet scents, you'll like that guy. The next product is TYNT Hey Smokey Eye Pencil. All right, I've never heard of this brand either. I'm actually coming to know a lot of brands through BoxyCharm, so I really appreciate that, BoxyCharm. It's retailed for $18. So this is the eye pencil. The packaging is super cute. I like how it's all white and then it kind of fades into that purple there. And it is a really rich, ooh, super creamy. It's a super creamy formula. Oh my god, girl. Oh my gosh, this is like the creamiest eyeliner formula that I've ever tried. I've never had an eyeliner that just like glides on like that. Do you see that? I'm literally just like lightly touching it onto my skin, and that is so nice. Girl, if you're looking for a really creamy, buttery liner, this is definitely something that's more soft and blendable versus something that's going to give you really sharp edges and lines. I'm fond of that one. I really like that one. Okay, so I'm just going over with my finger. I think once you let it dry, it doesn't move as much, but as you can see right here, there is some smudging going on. But I feel like once you let it dry, it's gonna stay in place 100%. And if you're also topping it off with a powder to set it, it's definitely not gonna move anywhere. I feel like I just haven't given it time to dry on my hand. We're gonna move on to the next product. The next product is the Beekman 1802 Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum that depuffs and fights dark circles. Honestly, I need an eye serum. I've been needing an eye serum. BoxyCharm always comes through with these products. Whenever I'm low on something, it's like they know what I need and they're just like, here, just throw it in the box. So this guy here, it actually retails for $42. It's actually created with goat milk, and it's supposed to absorb really quickly into the skin and hydrate the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and fatigue. So let's see, it comes in this cute little white pouch here. It looks like this. For eye serums, you're only supposed to use like a pea-size amount and apply it with your ring fingers because that is the finger that applies the least pressure out of all your fingers. And your under eyes are a very delicate place, so the least amount of pressure is what is preferred under the eye. And what I love about the packaging, I haven't tried the product or smelled it, but what I love about it is that it has a pump. So that just makes it a whole lot more hygienic versus it being in a container, because you're constantly dipping your fingers back in or dipping a spatula back in. It just builds a lot of bacteria faster. If you ever get eye creams, I recommend pump formulas versus container formulas just because of that reason. But I know there's amazing eye creams in jar containers. So anywho, so let's just try this out. I'm gonna pump one pump. Oh, that's cute. one pump on the back of my hand. It is very water-like. It feels super hydrating on the skin. And there isn't a real strong fragrance to it. Let me just see if there is. Oh, it's fragrance-free, so that's really good. It's fragrance-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free. I feel like a lot of BoxyCharms items are actually free of all those things. This is a really hydrating formula. It just literally absorbed right into my skin. Not even a minute after applying it, it's all gone. So I can't wait to try this on my eyes, and I really appreciate that it doesn't have any fragrance and that it comes in a pump. Let's move on to the next one. Next product is these brushes by Lavish. I've never heard of this brand before, but it looks so cute. It kind of reminds me of like Crayola pencil crayons or something. I don't know, it just reminds me of like kindergarten for some reason. It's in a cute plastic baggie like this. And these guys here are the Essential Eye Collection. They are 5 handcrafted brushes. They're vegan friendly, and they're supposed to create the most subtle to the most dramatic eye looks. Super cute. The bristles are like white and gray, which is cool. I've never seen like gray bristles before. So you got an angled brush, you've got an eyeshadow brush, a blending brush, a pointed pencil brush, and an angled blender brush. They are very lightweight. I think they're made out of plastic, and they have like a little bit of a chalky feel to them, but they're super cute. I've never had brushes this colorful before, so it'll be fun to pick these guys up and work with them. But they're super soft on the eyes, so sorry. The train is coming by, so stand by. Okay, so the train is just passing through, but it's a lot quieter now, so let's resume. There's no fallout while I play with them right now. I really like the fluffy brush. It is super fluffy. It feels like it's gonna blend out eyeshadow very well. I wish that they had a packing brush in these selections here. I feel like everyone needs a packing brush in like an eyeshadow essential kit. I feel like this brush here, the angled fluffy brush, was unnecessary. Like they could have, I appreciate it, but they could have actually just opted it in with like a packing brush. I feel like that would have been more like the Essential Eye Collection. One blending brush is enough, I think. Like this angled blending brush, like I don't really know what I would do with this, because I don't know, maybe it's just for me. Like, how do you guys use these brushes here? I'm more of like the fluffy brush, and I can create that edge, that angle with it, whereas this one I feel like maybe it's easier or something. I don't know. I never really opt for this one whenever I'm doing makeup on someone else or myself. I usually just blend out with this guy, even if I'm trying to create a really smoked out cat eye shadow. Yeah, but anyways, I really like the feel of the brushes. They're really cute, really fun, and I can't wait to try them. The Lavish brushes are retailed for $30. If you guys are interested, I will put all of the links to the products down below if you guys want to try them out, or if you want to, you know, purchase these products individually. But honestly, I would just say sign up with BoxyCharm, because you're getting a heck of a great deal for what you're paying for the box versus what the prices are individually. So yeah, this last product I'm super excited about because I peeked into the box before you guys. Okay. This one is the Tarte High Performance Naturals. Super excited for this guy. Over Shape Tape Concealer. You can wear it alone. It is a moisturizer and a primer, and you're supposed to use it on all the high points of your face. So I'm excited for this. This color is in Sunbeam. So this is a highlighting concealer, and this guy retails for $27. Super cute. Love that. It comes with a cute little sponge on the end, so I guess it comes out so you can wash it if you need to. But I guess it's supposed to just like help blend out the product on all the high points of the face. I actually like the size because you can get in the inner corner, the nose, and the top here. Out and pull out. And there is the pretty wand. My hands are so messy from the liner and super dehydrated. But I'm just going to apply a little on my hand there. Sorry, let me do another swatch. Super brightening, 100%. A really creamy formula. And Ooh, that looks so nice. So it's like super radiant, super illuminating, but there's no chunky glitters in it. Ugh, I love that. See, I'm just gonna go with the sponge. And so when you apply it, you're just gonna wanna use dabbing motions so that the sponge doesn't fall out. Wow, can you see that? I think that is this Tarte Shape Tape Illuminating Concealer is my favorite product out of this box. This is gorgeous. Can you see that? Yeah, wow. I love the finish of that Tarte product. And it's not sticky at all. It dries up and it just looks gorgeous. Okay, can't wait for next month. I hope you guys enjoyed this BoxyCharm unboxing and stick around for next time. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel if you are interested in seeing more unboxing videos with BoxyCharm. I feel like my whole YouTube channel is pretty much dedicated to BoxyCharm because I've been looking at it and it's just like BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm. But I will be putting out more content, different content for sure. I know that a lot of people have been wanting to see a haul video. I'll make it happen. It will happen. All right, and you guys can see some of my purchases, and if you like them, you can get them too. I hope you guys have a great day and stay safe out there. Bye, beautifuls.